If you are looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Ford Escape SE in carbonized gray with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, Ford Pass Connect, Ford Copilot 360, remote start, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10937A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.